What the? Where am I? Ah! Where am I? Who is that? Who is that? Who is that? Tell me your name. Ah! Who are you? Where am I?
You wanna play a game? You JM Pop!
What is that?
The new cherry flavor soda!
What? Cherry flavor.
Yeah, cherry flavored. Best damn soda you'll ever have. Want some? Wait a second! Hold the phone! You have T minus 10 seconds to drink this delicious cherry flavored drink. Wait. You ready?
Yeah.
Set. Well, didn't finish it. That's because this is the best soda. In the great cherry flavored soda in the world.
JM Paul, the greatest cherry flavored soda in the world.